The psychology of indoor plant placement, creating spaces for well-being and productivity. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. In recent years, the practice of incorporating indoor plants into homes, offices, and communal spaces has surged in popularity, extending beyond mere aesthetics. Research highlights the profound psychological and emotional benefits plants offer, making their placement a vital aspect of interior design. The psychology behind how and where we position indoor plants speaks to our need for connection with nature, desire for comfort, and pursuit of mental well-being. Number 1. Biophilia and the need for nature. At the heart of indoor plant placement lies the concept of biophilia, the inherent human affinity for nature, in an age where urbanization often disconnects us from natural environments. The simple act of integrating plants into indoor spaces can bridge that gap. Studies have shown that exposure to greenery, even indoors, can reduce stress levels, improve concentration, and promote positive emotions. This biophilic design taps into our evolutionary preference for nature, which has been shown to enhance cognitive function and emotional resilience. However, how we place these plants determines how effectively we connect with them. A plant thoughtfully positioned near a window where natural light streams in mimics outdoor environments, reinforcing this bond. Alternatively, a cluster of greenery in a barren corner can soften the harshness of a space, inviting warmth and vitality. Number 2. Psychological benefits of specific plant locations. Each space in a home or office carries its own energy and purpose. Properly placing plants in these areas can enhance their function and psychological impact. Living room. As the social hub, the living room benefits from large, lush plants that promote relaxation and hospitality. Placing plants in high-traffic areas like coffee tables or near seating arrangements encourages engagement and conversation. Tall plants in corners can draw attention upwards, creating a sense of space and airiness. Workspaces or home offices. Productivity thrives in environments that are both organized and stimulating. Small desk plants, or those positioned near the periphery of one's vision, can improve focus and creativity. Research suggests that viewing plants during breaks, or even a momentary glance at greenery, helps reduce mental fatigue, enabling quicker recovery from cognitive overload. Bedrooms. Since bedrooms are dedicated to rest and tranquility, placing plants here requires balance. Low maintenance, calming plants like lavender or snake plants can foster relaxation without demanding too much attention. Positioning plants near windows in the bedroom allows for natural ventilation, contributing to better air quality, which is linked to improved sleep. Bathrooms. Often considered neglected spaces, bathrooms are transformed with the addition of moisture-loving plants such as ferns or peace lilies. The placement of plants near mirrors, in corners, or hanging from the ceiling introduces a calming, spa-like atmosphere, promoting relaxation and self-care. Number 3. Strategic plant grouping and balance. The psychology of plant placement extends beyond putting a plant in an empty spot. Grouping plants of varying sizes, shapes, and colors can create focal points that engage the senses and invite curiosity. Clusters of plants should be designed with balance in mind. For example, large, dramatic plants can serve as anchors, while smaller, delicate plants provide contrast and soften sharp lines. This harmony in placement mimics nature's diversity and creates a more visually stimulating and psychologically soothing environment. Number 4. Natural light, shadows, and space perception. Natural light plays a crucial role in plant health and placement. But beyond the biological aspect, light also influences how we psychologically experience space. Plants near windows not only thrive on light, but also create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor environments. They diffuse the intensity of light entering the room, creating dappled shadows that soften the ambience, making spaces feel more welcoming and less sterile. Conversely, darker areas can benefit from low-light plants, adding depth and dimension to spaces that might otherwise feel cold or underutilized. Proper lighting, paired with thoughtful plant placement, helps create a more dynamic and emotionally balanced space. Number 5. Connection to well-being and stress reduction. The placement of plants has been linked to mental health benefits, including reduced stress, enhanced mood, and improved focus. Certain areas, such as meditation corners, relaxation zones, or cozy nooks, can be further enhanced by placing plants that promote peace and tranquility, such as jade plants or bamboo. The sense of nurturing a living organism, especially when it's strategically placed in spaces where we rest or seek solace, can provide a sense of accomplishment and care. Number 6. Symbolism and personal connection. The types of plants and their placement can carry deep psychological meanings. For example, flowering plants, often seen as symbols of growth and renewal, are perfect for entryways, symbolizing fresh beginnings every time we enter the space. Similarly, plants with unique textures or shapes can serve as conversation starters or personal reflections of one's taste, adding a layer of individuality to interior spaces. Personal attachment to specific plants or types of greenery can evoke memories, giving emotional weight to their placement. Number 7. Healing and productivity in workspaces. Plants in work environments don't just improve aesthetics, they play an active role in enhancing cognitive function, mood, and overall productivity. Research suggests that employees working in spaces adorned with plants report fewer sick days and higher levels of job satisfaction. Strategically placing plants in areas where employees gather, such as meeting rooms or near workstations, can foster a calming and creative atmosphere. Large green plants can also act as barriers between workspaces, providing privacy while softening the environment. The psychology of indoor plant placement is an artful fusion of aesthetics, well-being, and science. Thoughtful placement can transform ordinary spaces into sanctuaries of calm and focus, elevate mood, and bring the benefits of nature into our most intimate environments. Whether it's in the home, office, or communal areas, indoor plants contribute to emotional balance, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being, reinforcing the undeniable impact of nature on our mental and physical health. So, the next time you place a plant, remember it's not just about decor, it's about creating spaces that nurture the mind and soul. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.